Hasselback potatoes, oven baked with cheddar cheese. I use these small potatoes. We're gonna slice in the potatoes, but we're not gonna slice it through, so I'm gonna use those spatulas so that I don't cut them through. And I did about 8 potatoes. You can do more. Now look at that, they're done. Now we're gonna make a herb butter. I melted the butter and I'm gonna use a lot of garlic. I love garlic butter. I also added some chives. I love the onion taste of it. It's really good. I added some MSG, dill, onion powder, and black pepper. I also added some olive oil. Now give it a good mix and it's ready to go. Now we are gonna coat every potato, front and back and the inside, with this delicious buttery, garlicky, herby, spicy butter. I also added some smoked salt that gives it extra flavor, and I added some extra dill. Now I transfer them into an iron skillet. Give it a little bit of olive oil and then put the potatoes in. I preheated my oven at 200 degrees and they will go in for about an hour. And every 10 minutes I'm gonna baste it with some olive oil or with the leftover garlic butter. Let's put them in the oven. And the last 15 minutes I'm gonna put on some cheddar cheese. Back in the oven for 15 minutes. Now look at that. Some garlic dill sauce on top. Chives. Delicious. It goes well with barbecue or just with a piece of ham. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, so look me up, Sushi Chill and Grill. Thank you for watching.